Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna share my recent trade which trade on Tata Motors and the reason behind the trade. We made a profit around 2,67,000 rupees. We recommended this trade on our Telegram group. Please join our Telegram group. Reason behind the trade. From the long term perspective we can see market is in a uptrend. Second reason, Fibonacci retracement. Then we can draw Fibonacci retracement from the bottom level to the top, and we can see market get exact support at 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. It's a healthy retracement level as well. Third reason, we can see a cup handle pattern and it break the neckline as well. Then we can draw a trend line here. And we can see a double bottom pattern and it break the neckline. We place a long position above this level, and we keep the stop loss below this level, and we took the target up to 390 level, and it's around 3.54 risk reward ratio, and we made around 2,67,000 rupees profit. This is one of my trading account. P&L report, future and option, Tata Motors, date range from September 15. We shorted 300 put option, 310 put option, 320, 330 put option, 340, 350 and 380 and 390 put option as well. This is another trading account. P&L report, future and option, Tata Motors, date range from September 15. Altogether we made a profit around 2,67,000 rupees. If you get any knowledgeable price action strategy, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.